Adding images can be a great addition to your spreadsheet, and it's super easy to use. So for example, let's say we want to have a catalog and include the thumbnails for each individual item on my website. We can show that directly in Google Sheets super easily, and there's a few ways to do this. So I'm going to show you the manual way, a way with a formula, and a dynamic way that will make your life easier. So for the manual way, if it's online already, you can right-click on the image, go to Copy Image Address, and then go to Insert, Image. And you can choose if you want the image to be within the cell or over the cells. Over the cells means that I won't be constrained to a specific cell, so it will overlay a bunch of different cells. So usually I do insert image in one cell. Now if it's not online already, you can upload the file right here. But since it is online, we'll go to link, and let's go ahead and paste it. Now you'll see the preview of that thumbnail right there, and I can hit insert image, and you'll see it really tiny right there. And the reason why it's so tiny is because it's conforming to the size of the cell. So to make it bigger, all we have to do is make the cell bigger, and you can kind of tweak it to however you like to make it fit however you want. So that's the manual way. Then over to the right, you can have more categories like productivity bundle for the name, price, things like that. For the formula, this is what I usually do. I'll simply put image, open parentheses, paste that same URL. And once again, that's right-clicking, then go to copy image address. And once you put that in quotes, press enter, and it will prompt you to allow access since you're live streaming from the internet. So we'll click allow access, and now we have that thumbnail right there. So once again, you can make that a little bit bigger and so forth. One cool thing about this is you can actually change the size directly. So we can put a comma. For mode, we'll put 4 to be able to put a custom width and height. Now I'll put 100 for the height, 100 for the width, and it will give me those exact dimensions. So now I can simply adjust the cells and everything is aligned properly. Now the way to make this dynamic, instead of having the URL putting directly into the formula, we're going to reference a cell that contains the link instead. So I'm going to click on B2, which contains the link, press enter, and just like that we have our thumbnail based off of this link. But since it's dynamic, I can go ahead and drag this formula down, and it will give me all the different thumbnails that I need. And if I want to make this all the same size, I can simply select all of them, click on one, and now everything is the exact same size. I have all the different thumbnails for each individual product based off of this link. And if you update the image link later on your website, all you have to do is update the link right here, and it will update automatically. So that's how to import images directly into Google Sheets. Let me know if you have any questions, and like and comment for more.